Thank you very much. At GroundsFest. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. I hope everyone's doing well. Today we are at GroundsFest. So we're going to be going around showing you guys the latest tools that there are to offer. Ego have got a load of new kit coming out this year, so I want to stay tuned for that. I can show you that stuff, and we're also just going to walk around and show you lots of other different things and tools that are available. A little bit about GroundsFest as well is it's not your typical tool fair. It's, or should I say, tool show. It's a hands-on tool show, so you can come here, you might be able to hear the blower in the background going already, but you can try out all the tools and, you know, just get hands-on with them, so you don't you can get a feel for them, feel the weight of the tools and stuff like that.
Just heading to Machinery Nation Live, see hopefully what time come their event. Made it to Machinery Nation Live. What can we expect to see?
Right, so at 10 o'clock we will be hosting a live event all about chainsaws. So we've got vintage chainsaws, we've got brand new stuff, we've got battery, handles and a lot for you guys. At 12 o'clock we have got some manufacturers involved, and we've got standard mowers. So we've got Grasshopper, Arians, Hustler and Toro. So we'll be pitting those four machines against each other, again getting manufacturers involved with that. And then at 2 o'clock we got these two replicates joining us, and another special guest as well on our relay.
Looking forward to that.
Challenge. So
Can you give us any insight what's going on in the relay?
no, that's it.
Brilliant.
No, it's been good fun.
We look forward to it.
We've got loads
Definitely,
of machines, so
it's going to be a good one, guys. Don't forget to get over to Machinery Nation stand at those times and check them out.
Good. We're already put so
Gentlemen, no, I don't agree with this. I think you should put them back.
But I follow you on Instagram, and I also follow you. UK and Ireland as well. So didn't say how many t-shirts I could have. Hey guys, if you want to be in with a chance to win yourself a pair of Stihl ASA 20s, then here's what you got to do. 6-inch now. You've got to hammer it in as quick as possible. The fastest wins. 2 up for grabs, guys. Is there 2 up
One
for grabs?
today, one tomorrow.
Yeah, 1 today, 1 tomorrow, guys. Come check out the Machinery Nation stand.
So
You did that.
I had to head straight to Tudor Environmental, because as you all know, we've got 3 flapjacks. And let's go see what we've got on.
They're not American, no,
Can we have a go at blow to win?
So, according to which hole you get it through. So basically you get 3 attempts to fire a Tudor rugby ball through one of the holes using the extremely powerful Stihl BDA 250. This is loaded up with balls, blast them out through a hole. Yeah, one get. Come on then, let's go for the orange.
No.
Give it a bit more.
All the prizes in. Yeah. Okay.
4,000 calories.
Guys.
No, 4,000 calories in each flapjack.
Yeah, 4,000 calories in each flapjack. Don't forget to come and check out the Tudor Environmental stand at GroundsFest. Okay, so we just bumped into Alexander's Gardening. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm really good, thank you. Yeah. How is GroundsFest 2025 for you?
GroundsFest 2025 has been, it's been really good, having a lot of fun here.
Brilliant. Any tools that have caught your eye?
I was at his Ego stand earlier on. I saw a couple of their new blowers. I haven't used them yet, and we've walked around the corner. I'm really keen to get my hands on them.
Awesome. You attending the festival tonight?
I am, yeah. I'm looking forward to that.
Looking forward to
the Oasis, tribute band.
Well, I'll see you there.
I'm not going to miss it. I'll see you there.
Awesome. Cheers for the chat.
Yeah.
Nice one. I reckon it's the way forward. See, you're saying this is what life is about, mate. What you want to do is someone can get me a beer and we can just control the mower from that, like, you know, on the deck chair, or you've got a nice little sofa outside. And then I just want to quickly dump it. Just press C1.
Nice easy off.
Easy life. Empty that out.
Off you go.
There you go. Give it a little shake just in case there's a bit of a.
Press it down again. There you go. Off you
There
go
you go.
again.
Look at that.
We have Alex from Acres Lawn Care and we have CJ from CJ Garden Services. So give them a big round of applause, everyone, for coming in and joining us. Thank you very much. They have some massive fans over there. So they are going to be. Curtis fans, put your hands up. Give us a cheer for Curtis fans.
Let me down.
Give us a cheer for Alex fans. Oh, here we go. So these guys both produce content on YouTube and Instagram, so please go and give them a follow. So type in CJ Garden Services and Acres Lawn Care, and is that right? That's correct. That is the right ones. And you'll be able to go and follow what they do. Now they are some great guys. They are very well followed, and they work with manufacturers doing products as well as gardening as well. So it's worth going and giving them a shout. But a huge thank you to them for joining us today, because we're just about to rinse them.
We're going to lose.
Or either that or we'll lose, but we'll see. We'll see. So to start with, who's going first? Yeah? Right, so I'm going up against Alex in this relay to start with, and then Josh is going against CJ, and then we're going to do a final for the winner. So,
What do we win?
what do we win?
Glory?
Our pride.
Pride.
We get to keep our pride.
We're going to start off, if you've only just joined us, we're going to start off the petrol post driver. We're going to hammer that post into the ground to the black mark, right flush with the ground. Then they're going to move over to the utility carts, load them up with the straw bales, go around our obstacle course, round the front, round the cones, back to the start, unload the straw bale. Then we're going to move over to the power tools. Because Curtis is obviously on the Kramer side, he will then move on to DeWalt. James, being a Milwaukee fan he is, he's on Milwaukee. Then we will do impact drivers, drill with the auger bits, then the chipper will be fired up, and we'll feed those logs into the chipper, hopefully not stalling it, and producing some beautiful chips made by Hansa. Right guys, have you done your warming up? Right then, I'm going to count you in. Remember, the winner of this will go into the final against either me or Curtis. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Under the bar, there we go. Now they have got to start these up. These have been So think of this, if you were erecting a marquee, putting marquee tent posts in, how easy it is to put those posts in. Oh, I think... Is there a bit of cheating going on here? Can I see that?
How'd you go back?
Now the thing with Acres Kramer utility cart is he can actually push it a little bit faster as well if you wanted to. And you can go one-handed, so you've got nice steering on that, whereas obviously the Ego Max has got a little bit more power, should we say. Bit stronger butt. There you go, and obviously James has got to manually move and steer this machine round the cones now. So a little bit heavier, and you can see that sort of the traction there. Particularly good, especially if it's on rougher ground. Got nice grippy tyres. I think Alex from Acres is struggling here a little bit. Is it your back again, mate? Oh, through underneath. Right, unload your straw bales. There you go, manual tip, like so. Go out to front, lift your straw bale, you've got to stack your straw bale back on the pile. That's what we said.
Stop cheating!
There we go, right. Here we go. 3, 1, 2, 3. James is your battery out, Acres. Run on to the impact drivers. See the power of these, putting these functionals in. Here we go. Right up the chipper, really. Right the chipper. Up on forward. There we go. So we're just going to engage the blades now, get these things going.
Gentlemen, that's no bridge. 3, 2, 1, go! Now Josh is actually a Honda qualified engineer, so he should be able to start that Honda. He's going to put a straw bale into the top, and he goes. And Josh isn't far behind now. Does he know he's got it? Josh is actually away before he is. Other hand sausages, turn it on. Josh is away, Kramer's going. Kramer's in front. Come on CJ, push it. Push it like it's real good, push it. Josh is in front with the Kramer. Now Josh could actually speed up a little bit here if he wanted. He could push that barrow because it will also freewheel. Come on CJ, you've got that. Can't see you've got forward drive, just go over the pedals, mate. And Josh comes up through to the slalom of cones. That's a minus point for Josh, he just hit one. Can't see you takes some, oh, more cone. That's not just going to be coming up through. CJ's giving CJ's Brits. Here we go. So go there. He's just going for the cones. Just going for the game. Josh is off with the straw bale and he's on to the circular sausages out. Hold that handle and give it a good tip, mate. Just tip it out. Give it a good tip of it. Hold it in. Hold it around. Now we're away. Now we're up. And onto the power tools he goes. Josh has already done his circular saw. He's onto his impact driver. He's stacked his barrow back up. And he's onto the circular saw with the Milwaukee. And he's away. 1 cut. 2 cut. 3 cut. Takes his battery out. Of the 2 red ones, didn't he? That's it, he's got it. He's onto it, onto the impact drivers. Josh is already onto the drill, post drill. Oh, they've fallen off the back, there we go. Josh is going through, he's going to... Josh is in front and then so he's got to follow along the chipper. Now Josh can't actually play cricket, but the trouble with Josh is cricket is that I'm not seeing.
Shout out some more channels.
Right, we're going to count it
SD
down.
Ground Maintenance, Brothers Garden Maintenance, TGW Gardening Services, Atkins Gardening Limited, Ben's Gardening Services. Yes.
Got a bit of free promotion here.
Going. So guys, back on the Ego stand, lots of new mowers with Ego, new for 2026. Quite an exciting one is the new Pro X 2026 model we've got here. This is a 30-inch cut, so it's a big beast, but it's extremely light as well, so that's going to be exciting for new release. You can see the R2 going around there. And last year, 2024, we had the release of the Ego Pro X, so these are sort of the 2 Pro models just next to me here. We've got a couple of new lifestyle bits. We've got the compact pressure washer here. Some of the other bits behind are 2025 bits. So this is new for 2026 as well. This is the STX 4200. The difference between this one is the motor is at the bottom of the head this time, so it makes it a lot more comfortable to use as well. How was it? How did you have a good time?
Yeah, loved it.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
What's been the favourite part about GroundsFest?
Meeting you.
Me, don't be silly.
I'm not going to lie, probably me slut dropping I think was the highlight.
And again, you coming back again next year?
Yes.
Brilliant,
Yes,
awesome
100%,
guys.
yeah.
Yeah, no, it's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
So, Pete, how are you finding your first GroundsFest?
It has been absolutely amazing, mate. Honestly, I've walked around, looked at loads of cool tools, met loads of cool people. Yeah, great experience. Really, really good. So,
would you recommend it?
100%. If you haven't been to GroundsFest, come next year. It's fantastic. You'll meet loads of cool people. I say, try out the kit, and just have a really awesome time.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you. Yeah, we just bumped into Premier Lawns. How are you finding GroundsFest this year?
Absolutely fantastic, thank you. Yeah.
Any sort of new machines that are catching your eye?
There's any amount of tools here.
Yeah,
but something that I really like about GroundsFest is there's always loads going on at all the stands.
That's it.
All the stands are always trying to suck you in,
and they're good as well.
Yeah.
But they're good as well, especially for the social media side of things. They're a lot of them they've got young sort of social media marketing now. They're really interested in that social media aspect. So
I think if you go to other shows, it's very dry and
here
it's definitely very engaging. Yeah,
they are. They want you there. They're happy for you to be there to film. They want to be put out as well. They want sort of people to see who they are and stuff. So that's what's important about it, isn't it?
No.
I'm tired now. That's me, ladies and gentlemen. I'm signing out. Okay, guys, that's us done. I hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit of a GroundsFest editor Shane in the back there. You've seen him in one of the videos before, coming along, being a cameraman today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you are in the UK, make sure you come and check out GroundsFest. It is a really, really good couple of days. Thanks again, guys. Catch you in the next video.